Hi guys, welcome to my 2009 Mini Cooper. I bought this rearview mirror cover from ES Tuning. It's checkered flag, black and white checkered flag. There's the model number. Not sure where I got it because I guess I was changing everything else to kind of like a checkered flag interior and exterior mirror covers and stuff like that. So let's check it out. So this is what it comes with. It's kind of pricey. It was about 40 bucks for this piece of molded plastic. Looks like it has two, it fits over your existing one. So it has these two double-sided tape stickies. You peel them off and it'll stick it on. And the one I bought it for was for generation 2. So obviously they're going to be different for different models. So let me see. Let's see how thick this plastic is. Let me go ahead and get my calipers. So I got my calipers. So the plastic is a little over a half a millimeter, 0.48 millimeters. So it's really really thin plastic here. So it has cutouts. This is so you could pull it over the mount. And then you have the thing for the dimming during headlights. So let's go ahead and try it on the car and see how it fits. So based on my car, I changed out the mirror caps for the side mirrors, and so that's why I bought that rear view mirror cover so that I can get it matching. This is what it looks like now. Got my dash cam on the left there, and it's black right now. So let's go ahead and put it on and see what it looks like. So we're inside the car. So here he is. So it pretty much goes this way. It'll fit over the where it mounts and snaps right in. So first you gotta peel off the double-sided sticky tape thing, and let's stick it on. I don't have a tripod, so I'm going to put the camera down for a second. Okay, that wasn't too hard putting it on. Since I peeled off the sticky tape, you got to make sure it makes it a little harder to put it on because it sticks to everything. Since it is a cap that goes over existing mirror, you will see maybe a little bit of an edge around the edge here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it from the outside. Okay, here are my mirror caps, and this is what it looks like now with my rear view mirror. So it kind of matches the same black and white checker pattern. So it looks pretty good. I'm not sure it's worth $40 to pay for that, but go ahead and try it out. And so if you want to spend $40 for a mirror cap, that's you can go to ES Tuning. I think other places sell it too, maybe on Amazon. So thanks for watching. Good luck on yours.